Being that I travel to Disneyland so often, I'm always asked for good hotels to stay at, and no better way than to showcase one of my favorites. Today, I'll be bringing you along my stay at Hilton's Home2 Suites that's just a 10-minute walk to the Disneyland Resort. I'll be sharing everything this hotel has to offer, such as their amazing Manchester lounge, pool, gym, complimentary breakfast, including the hotel's delicious and convenient coffee shop that is perfect for Disney rope drop mornings. Alright, so the room is ready early. Time for the speed tour. Elevated kitchenette. Full-size fridge. Did you hear that? Yes, also a freezer. Full-on paper towel rack. Full-size microwave. But wait, there's more. There's even a dishwasher. But the biggest thing everyone always wants to know, how's the bathroom? And I would tell you, it's wonderful. It really does have everything you need. I was totally talking, and sorry if it's echoing, I'm in the bathroom. But I was totally talking and that like salesman like, this, it has that, it has this. But honestly, the one thing I love about everything so far is how updated it all is. Like everything's super modern. So this is good for me. And you have tons of cabinet space. You got 1, 2, and 3. 1, oh, we got baked out. 2. And you have storage down here beneath as well. Looks like we got these Zero products. I don't know, but I dig how they're mounted. Subway tiled shower. I'm pretty sure this is standard, right? Seems like. 2 living room. Cabinet. Cabinet. Or should I say drawer? Drawer. Lovely couch. This is nice. Not to mention the smart TV, you can watch your favorite YouTuber. Like, and subscribe if you like these videos. Desk space. Whoa. Desk space. Check. Where's my laptop? Oh, here it is. Lovely. So much desk space. I feel like I need to get some stuff and kind of like unpack a little, because there's so much cabinet space that needs to be filled. Good old nightstand. So much plugs. Get my phone charged. Cabinet. 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 Cabinet! Oh, so much space, and I think we're overexposed. Oh, we're not. But, guys, this room is awesome. As far as storage, as far as space, look at this. Look at this action. I don't know why I'm having so much fun with this room tour. On with the tour. And this is the closet. And if you're paranoid like I am, there is a safe. No, I'm not gonna tell you my code. Did I even get into these beds? 1, 2. These are queens. Queen 1, Queen 2. They do have king options, of course, as well. But we got the 2 queens today. I like them. I dig these. These are amazing. These aren't cabinets, though. I thought they were. Tons of plugs, like I showed. And I love the wallpaper. Such a great accent. Look how nice this is. Wonderful. I almost went in B-roll mode. And I didn't talk about this. Me and Ange, she's not with me today, but we love mirrors. You know you love a good mirror. Alright, so our speed tour has come to a close. But our exploring this hotel and all the amenities does not stop here. Let's go see what else there is. Alright guys, so now we made it over here to the pool area, and this pool area is super nice. You have tons of seating. The pool is big, but you also do have a gigantic, I would call it a spa, not a hot tub, because it's huge. It's like a 20-foot long hot tub, so a lot of people can fit in there. But the thing I do like about this is there are tons of seating, so even if the pool area is busy, you're probably not gonna have too hard of a time to find seating. And there are some seating pretty much behind some little privacy walls. I would say I definitely wouldn't mind taking a break from the park and coming and jumping in the pool. I wanted to swim and I forgot my freaking swim trunks, so doesn't look like we're gonna do that this trip. But pro tip, if you stay here, come in the morning. There's like literally no one here right now. I got the whole pool area to myself, and now that it's getting hot out here, this is super nice. So another cool thing that they do have in the pool area is a kid's splash pad. So this splash pad is pretty cool. You go and hit a button and pretty much activates the whole thing, and I'm sure kids are gonna absolutely love this if they come to the pool area. So our next stop is here on the second floor, and I apologize, it's really echoey in here, but we came to the hotel's gym. Now this gym is nice, and that's probably an understatement. You pretty much have everything you can do, and this may be one of the biggest gyms at a neighboring Disney approved hotel that I've ever stayed at. It has ellipticals, it has treadmills, it has Peloton bikes, it has everything that you need. It has free weights, cables, the whole nine. If you are a gym person, highly recommend making a stop at this gym because this thing is insane, completely up to date. It's a gorgeous hotel gym. I doubt any neighboring hotel has a gym like this. All right guys, so we made it over here to the Manchester Lounge, which is the hotel's bar and lounge, so to say, but I would really call it like another alternative to a restaurant that the hotel has on site. But to start off, I'm gonna try the brand new fried calamari. This comes with parsley, grapes, lemons, sweet chili sauce, and cocktail sauce. Okay, so this calamari was super good. It had like a right amount of texture, right amount of crispness, and with the cocktail sauce, I love cocktail sauce, so I was definitely taking all that in with the calamari, but that definitely put it over the top. On a rating scale, I would probably go 4 or 5 out of 5. It's close to a home run, but I'd still give it a real good. I would highly recommend making a stop. If you're gonna get an appetizer, even just to snack on and not dinner, come try the calamari. It's something that's completely brand new to the Manchester Lounge and definitely worth getting. So next up, I'm gonna try the Cheeseburger Manchester Flatbread. It's bison, Thousand Island dressing, mozzarella cheese, tomato, iceberg lettuce, bacon, and ketchup. Now I have to admit, I don't know what I'm gonna give this on the rating, but I wanted to try it because it was new, but I just realized I got this and it has Thousand Island, tomatoes, and pickle. I don't like any of those. I'm not sure if my review is gonna be the best in this, but what I can tell you is the flatbread I got last time, I gave that, I think, a 5 out of 5. It was delicious, so let's see how this one tastes. I'm willing to try it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. So unfortunately, I think I set myself up for failure on this one. I should have checked what was in it before I ordered it. I was like, oh yeah, let me try the hamburger one. So I can tell you, the flatbreads are good. I wish I would have just got the pepperoni one. But there is also a new seafood pasta that they have offered. Maybe next time I'll try that. But honestly, if I had to rate this, just because I don't like Thousand Island, pickle, lettuce, tomato, I'm probably gonna go 3.5 out of 5. I'm gonna say that's all right, but this came out super fresh. All the dough from pretty much the flatbreads or anything else that includes dough is all house made and freshly made, so that's perfect. It's just the ingredients on it I just didn't like. But for me, I'd say 3.5 out of 5. I'm gonna say that's all right. Would I recommend? I can't tell you yes or no because I'm not a fan of Thousand Island, lettuce, tomato, or pickle. But it is something, if you want to try something different, I would recommend it. And if you do like flatbreads, you can't go wrong with any of them here. They're so good. Up next, and my last item for the evening, is the Espress Yourself. This is basically, from my understanding, it's an espresso martini. It's Stoli vanilla vodka, Kahlua fresh brewed espresso, and simple syrup. Okay, so definitely one of the better espresso martinis that I have had in a while. This thing was super good. It's so smooth. It's not like some espresso martinis, they're really strong on the coffee end. It's not too strong on the coffee end. The Kahlua and the coffee balance so well, and this is smooth. Smooth means dangerous, so you can put these things away if you want to and if you're not careful, but I'm gonna go 4.8 out of 5. I'm still gonna go real good. So close to a home run, so close. aside from me completely setting myself up for failure and ordering the cheeseburger flatbread, but it was new. I wanted to be adventurous. I wanted to try it. Everything was amazing. That old fashioned was freaking amazing too. I think I gave that one a home run yesterday. But like I say, guys, this lounge is a complete home run overall. The food is really good if you know what you're ordering. And the drinks are like amazing. If I wasn't even staying here, I would walk to the Manchester Lounge to come get a drink in the evening. Like if you take a little Disney break, it's perfect for that. The pretzel sticks are always a go-to for my favorite, but there's so much good items and I still highly recommend coming. Time is now 5 a.m. Happy rope drop. Alright guys, so we made it over here to breakfast. Pretty much I got here right at 6:30 because we want a rope drop. We gotta hurry and get to the park because people will start lining up. But on the second floor, if you're staying at the Home2 suites, you do get complimentary breakfast. Basically, you get everything standard as for complimentary breakfast. You get eggs, sausage. Some days they do make omelets, but if you are staying at Home2, just know you do get complimentary breakfast, and that's always a win. So another pro tip to know if you are staying at H2 or Hilton Garden Inn or even the Holiday Inn Express is they do have their own in-house like coffee spot and grab and go spot. The coffees here are amazing. I've been getting, and I'm totally hooked on the Pistachio Latte that they make. This thing is freaking delicious. Trust me, it's worth getting. But you cannot rope drop Disney without getting a good coffee. And now that we have this like 8 to 10 minute walk, it's perfect to drink that on the way over there. But pro tip is you can mobile order your drinks from Common Grounds too. They have a lot of the tabs and the QR codes in the rooms, and they also have them around the area. So if you're wanting to have your coffee ready to go for a rope drop, you can definitely do a mobile order as well. So as I'm on this lovely walk to the park, I do want to share with you guys on the way from and to the parks, there's some fast food restaurants here that if you are tired of park food, you can kind of get some fast food. I know McDonald's is not the healthiest, but hey, everyone loves some McDonald's. And just like that, a whole 12 minutes basically, we're in Disneyland and we're here early, so we're still before 8 o'clock. So I'm trying to think, I think I want to go on Indiana Jones. I heard like the visual effects are at top tier right now, so let's go to Indy. You guys are on your own.
Stay out of trouble, will ya?
Alright guys, so we just got off of Indiana Jones. The posted wait time was 25 minutes and we really only waited like maybe 10 to 15 minutes. This is the way to go. The Home2 overall, that was a home run experience. Being so close, fairly priced, and for all the amenities and the way the rooms were, everything was just a home run overall. And literally with being a 10 to 12 minute walks, Home2 Inn Suites was amazing. The Hilton Garden Inn is always a win too, but remember, Home2 is more targeted towards families who are going to be doing long-term stay, and if you're not going to be doing a long-term stay, definitely check out the Hilton Garden Inn. But overall, it's always a place that I will still recommend, and although this video is sponsored, I do want to let you know that all of my reviews and my overview and everything is fair and honest. And Common Grounds, that pre-rope drop coffee came in so clutch. And until next time, what can I say except you're welcome? See you on the next one.